everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Meridiana, which is located in Iowa Colony. Now, this home that we're going to view today is built by Lennar. And the unique thing about this particular section in Meridiana is that Lennar is only one of two builders that's going to be building townhomes in this master plan community. So the little bit about this home, it is called the Patton. Now the Patton is going to be a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It is a little bit over 1,800 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the $300,000 range. Now, the good thing about Lennar as a builder in whole is they have a motto which I just gave to them. It's called "What you see is what you get." Now, what that means is that the countertop, the cabinets, the flooring, all those things are standard, so you don't have to worry about having to try to upgrade them. Now, we're going to take a quick tour, but before we do, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, that bell, and that subscribe to be notified of new weekly videos. Let's go ahead and take a quick tour. Why, thank you so much for sticking around until the end of this tour and viewing this beautiful home with me. Now, if you have any questions regarding this particular builder, this model, or any other real estate questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. And if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that bell. Thank you so much again. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.